Ah! What up, Indizzle?
Nothing much, Jay Izzle. What are you gonna do today?
I don't know, I'm just gonna go make some brownies.
Ah! What the freak is that? What the?
What is it?
It's a treasure map.
Well, it's kind of soggy.
Where do we go?
I don't know.
We must go to Grand Adventure for the Hood!
Nick, we're not playing World of Warcraft.
Oh, man. This is magic!
It's some kind of barrier or something! No! Wait. We could dig under it. We will eventually move all the rocks. We will get through and we'll make it across.
But we don't have any shovels. Wait! I have a glorious idea. I have a plan. We'll just charge at it.
Oh! Nick, you passed it!
I passed it. The bear is not invincible.
We must be thousands of miles away from civilization.
Yes, but we must continue the journey.
Yes, I agree!
What the heck is that?
A car!
Wait, I have a plan. Yeah.
Why are you making sound effects?
I don't know. Where are we supposed to go now?
It says we go...
Straight along this road, I think.
The map!
We got it.
No!
No!
Oh no! I ripped it!
Julian! No! No! Put the... Get rid of the map! No! It's all your fault!
Well, you're the one who dropped it!
Why you? Wait! What's that? The treasure! It's the treasure!
Whoa.
We're rich!
Open it! Open it!
It's mine.
What?
I'm...
No, dude!
It's
Dude!
mine!
Dude!
It's mine!
Ah!
You can't have it!
Ah! Ah! Dude!
Daddy's gonna get me a new pair of shoes!
Dude! Just open it! Oh man, I want to see what's inside of this so bad.
What? This doesn't make sense!
Ah! Ah! I did.
Wake up! What happened?
Oh no.
Where's the treasure?
I don't know.
Oh well, buddy, I guess we learned something today. Never trust a flying treasure map.